Welcome to today's Explainer, everyone. We are breaking down Nicolas Boucher's highly anticipated guide, Mastering ChatGPT for Finance. And look, we're completely skipping the basic, broad AI queries today. We are going to show you exactly how to leverage advanced prompt engineering to execute complex financial workflows, boost your productivity, and really accelerate your career. Let's dive right in. So let's just address the elephant in the room right away. Will ChatGPT replace your finance job? It's literally the existential question on every accountant and analyst's mind right now. In every boardroom and financial planning department, this is what people are talking about. And it's not just blind panic. It's a profound industry-wide transition. We're seeing a massive structural shift where automation is challenging highly trained professionals to adapt or, honestly, risk becoming obsolete. I mean, just look at this visual. It's striking, kind of intimidating, right? But it perfectly captures that current industry anxiety. You have this cold, calculating precision of artificial intelligence entering a field that has traditionally been governed entirely by human analysts. It really feels like this sci-fi future just suddenly dropped right onto our desks. The technological leap is real. The machine is here. So the question is no longer if AI will impact finance, but how. Because of that, you're facing a binary choice right now. Option 1, you can sit back, do nothing, and just let AI take over your job. Or option 2, you can master AI and make yourself completely irreplaceable. And that's the real secret here, guys. AI itself isn't going to take your job. A finance professional who knows how to use AI is going to take your job. Mastering AI means understanding how to avoid that classic garbage in, garbage out problem. That's a totally crucial concept in financial prompt engineering that instantly flips you from being threatened by this tech to being empowered by it. Section 1, Formulating the Perfect Financial Prompt. Let's look at the exact text of the prompt Boucher uses to draft an accounting procedure. It reads, I am an accountant. I need to write an SOP about the bank reconciliation. I am using QuickBooks. Can you provide me with a step-by-step SOP which complies with standard internal controls for a traditional company? Notice how this isn't just some casual internet search. This utilizes what we call a financial persona framework. It's a highly targeted command designed specifically to bypass those generic, fluffy responses and generate a professional, immediately usable business document. Let's break down exactly why that prompt is literally a masterclass in AI communication. First up, the role. I am an accountant. You're immediately giving the AI a persona, which sets the professional vocabulary right out of the gate. Second, the task. Write an SOP about bank reconciliation. It knows exactly what document it needs to generate. Third, the tool. I am using QuickBooks. This grounds the steps in a very specific software environment. And finally, the constraint. Comply with standard internal controls. Now remember, in finance, constraints also mean ensuring strict data privacy. You absolutely never feed non-public personal information or confidential company data into these public models. You avoid that garbage in, garbage out problem by giving the AI the strict 4-pillar framework. Section 2, the 14-step SOP generation. Okay, check out parts 1 and 2 of the results. ChatGPT hasn't just given a brief, high-level summary. It has written out a meticulous, step-by-step manual. It starts with setting a schedule, moves right through the exact tabs you need to click in QuickBooks, and details the reconciliation math. The AI is demonstrating this incredible ability to parse complex workflows and extract actionable steps almost instantly. Just imagine how long it would take a junior accountant to draft this from scratch, format the whole thing, and get it reviewed. ChatGPT delivers a near-final draft in seconds. Let's synthesize what the AI actually produced across those 14 steps, because the underlying structure is incredibly sound. First, setup and scheduling. It advises setting a regular monthly schedule and jumping into the Banking tab in QuickBooks. Second, data entry. It guides the user to enter ending balances from both the physical bank statement and the software. Third, verification and adjustments. Checking off transactions to ensure the difference is absolutely zero. But here is the prime example of AI truly understanding context rather than just spitting out text, reporting and controls. Step 14 explicitly mandates that access is limited to authorized personnel and requires adequate segregation of duties between the people who reconcile and the people who handle cash. The AI embedded a vital corporate safeguard entirely on its own, based strictly on the constraints we gave it. Section 3, Mastering AI for your career. Drafting that SOP? That is just one single example of what is actually possible here. According to Nicolas Boucher's framework, there are at least 22 highly effective, totally distinct use cases for finance professionals to leverage ChatGPT. We are moving way beyond simple administrative tasks here. These 22 use cases include advanced workflows like financial statement analysis, where you can literally feed the AI 10K filings or PDF balance sheets to extract key metrics and ratios instantly. It includes prompting ChatGPT to write really complex nested Excel formulas or even Python code. You can use it to build out discounted cash flow valuation frameworks or paste in budget versus actuals to run automated variance analysis. This is all about scaling your output and executing high-level, strategic financial analysis at speeds we've never seen before. To help you master all those advanced workflows, Boucher actually created a comprehensive 92-page guide. This is a complete step-by-step roadmap showing you exactly how to fundamentally upgrade your daily financial routines. A guide like this pushes you into true advanced territory. We're talking about using the AI's code interpreter to upload raw CSV transactional data sets so you can plot interactive charts and find anomalies in seconds, or building custom finance GPTs preloaded with your specific firm's formatting rules and accounting guidelines. It's 92 pages of prompts, constraints, and strategies designed to make you the absolute most efficient person in your department. The core message here is clear. You need to secure your future. Boucher's actually offering this guide at a special launch price for a limited time via the link on his LinkedIn profile. But before you dive in and start overhauling your workflows, there is a critical caveat every finance pro needs to remember. A master AI user always manually verifies calculations. You cannot blindly trust native text token generation to just do math perfectly. You absolutely must audit the outputs and utilize what's called chain of thought prompting. That means forcing the AI to explain its math step by step to ensure absolute accuracy before you ever present a final summary. So you've seen firsthand how precise prompt engineering turns a basic chatbot into a high-level financial assistant. The complex workflows, the quantitative analysis, the rapid automation, it's all right here, and it's already reshaping the entire finance industry. So, what's it going to be? Will you master AI, or will you let it take your job? The choice is entirely yours. Start building your advanced financial prompts today.